Let's face it, clean, great-tasting water isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. And when it comes to quality and performance, Moen's reverse osmosis filtration system delivers the ultimate in home water purity. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or just someone who wants fresher, safer water straight from the tap, this guide's for you. In this video, we're walking you step by step through how to install your Moen reverse osmosis filtration system and connect it to a Moen Sip Faucet with an air gap. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started. Step 1. Get ready. Preparation is key. Every great installation starts with preparation. Before you begin, open the box and verify that all parts are included. If anything's missing, reach out to Moen customer service before you start. You'll also need a few basic tools: safety glasses, Phillips head screwdriver, adjustable wrench, level, pencil, tape measure, scissors, tube cutter, and drill with a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drill bits. Once everything's ready, we can move on. Step 2. Shut off the water supply. First things first, turn off the cold water supply. Then turn on your kitchen faucet and let any remaining water drain out completely. Next, grab your wrench and disconnect the cold water supply line from the shutoff valve. Now connect the cold water T to that same line and tighten it until secure. Reconnect the faucet supply line with the attached T to the cold water supply valve. Now note, if you live in a region that follows UPC plumbing code, make sure to use a UPC-approved drain line adapter. You'll find detailed instructions in your Moen manual. Step 3. Install the drain line adapter. Now it's time to set up the drain line. Punch out the center hole in the foam seal. This will be your drilling template. Hold it above the drain trap and mark your spot with a pencil. Drill a 1/4 inch hole into the drain pipe wall, but only on one side. Don't drill through both walls of the pipe. Peel the film off the foam seal and stick it to the front plate of the drain saddle, lining it up with the hole you just drilled. Position the saddle on the drain tailpiece and tighten it using the screws and nuts provided. Run the 3/8 inch blue tube to the connector on the saddle, trimming it to fit if needed. Insert the tube about 1 inch into the connector until it stops. Step 4. Set up the storage tank. Wrap a bit of sealant tape clockwise around the tank nipple. Slide the nut from the tank elbow onto the white tube, making sure the compression sleeves stay inside. Hand tighten the tank elbow onto the nipple, then place the tank in its final position under the sink. Use the mounting stand to secure it. Push the white tube fully into the elbow and hand tighten the nut again. Step 5. Mount the manifold and install filters. To give yourself enough room for future filter changes, mount the manifold so its top is at least 18 inches above the cabinet floor. Make sure the tubing won't be pulled tight or bent. Mark the screw holes with a pencil, drill 1/8 inch pilot holes, and attach the manifold using the provided screws. Now, take the caps off your filter cartridges and check the O-rings. They should be in place and undamaged. Write the replacement dates on each label. For stage 1 and 2, every 6 months. For stages 3 and 4, every 12 months. You can even sign up for automatic filter replacements at moen.com. Align each filter with its matching symbol on the manifold. Push up until it clicks into place, then twist clockwise 90 degrees to lock it in. Step 6. Connect the tubes. Remove the red cap from the elbow on the row filter by pressing the ring toward the elbow and pulling off the cap. Insert the flow restrictor into the tube assembly that came with the RO filter. Slide it into the 1/4 inch blue tube until the red collar seats firmly, leaving about an 1/8 inch of clear tubing exposed. Connect one end of that blue tube into the elbow until it stops, about 3/4 of an inch, and the other end into the air gap. Double check that every connection is snug. Slide the nut and sleeves onto the black inlet tube. Insert it into the cold water tee and tighten it with your wrench. Insert the small elbow into the inlet port on the manifold. Then push the black tube in until it stops. Now insert the large elbows into the tank port and faucet port. Connect the white tube to the tank port and the gray tube to the faucet port. Push both in until fully seated, about 3/4 of an inch. Attach the other end of the gray tube to your filtration faucet. Step 7. Pressure test and purge the system. Turn on the cold water supply and check every connection for leaks. Then turn on the filtered faucet to release any trapped air. You'll hear it sputter a little at first. Let it run for a few minutes, then close the faucet. Allow 2 hours for the tank to pressurize fully. Once pressure is built, open the filtered faucet and drain the tank completely. You'll know it's empty when the water slows to a trickle that usually takes about 10 minutes. Close the faucet, let the tank refill, then drain it again. Do this 2 full times to purge the system. After that, your third fill is ready for drinking. Clean, fresh, and perfectly filtered. And there you have it. Your Moen Reverse Osmosis Filtration System is officially installed and ready to go. Enjoy the taste of pure crystal clear water right from your tap. No more bottled water, no more hassle. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out more home improvement tips right here.